Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to hard reset your Tesla Model S. First, understand the difference between a soft and hard reset. A soft reset is ideal for minor issues like a frozen touchscreen or connectivity problems. However, if those issues persist, a hard reset might be necessary to resolve deeper system malfunctions. We will cover both methods to ensure your Tesla runs smoothly. To perform a soft reset, first ensure your Tesla is safely parked with all doors closed. Next, locate the two scroll wheels on your steering wheel. Press and hold both of these scroll wheels simultaneously. Keep holding them until the main touchscreen goes completely dark. Once the screen is black, you can release the scroll wheels and wait for the system to reboot, which usually takes about 30 seconds. For a hard reset, begin by parking your Tesla and powering it off through the safety and security menu on the touchscreen. After the vehicle is powered down, open the frunk to access the 12-volt battery. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery. Wait for at least 1 to 30 seconds, then reconnect the terminal. Finally, press the brake pedal to initiate the vehicle's full reboot. You should typically use a soft reset for common issues like a frozen touchscreen or minor software bugs. A hard reset is a more intensive procedure, reserved for when soft resets don't resolve persistent problems. It's like a full system refresh. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Knowing these reset methods helps keep your Tesla performing at its best, ensuring a smoother driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.